Oh, that's a nice one.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Good catch. Go ahead, take it.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You got him, dude. Come on, it's your fish. You're man. Yes, sir. Hold it on tight. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Nice catch, dude.
Oh,
That's what I'm talking
that's a
about.
nice one.
Nice.
Nice
catch.
one.
It's tearing them up down there, baby.
Woo.
Yeah, man.
This is a hot spot right here. I see a lot of big ones right here.
Yeah, they were running.
Nice.
Yeah, dude.
Very nice.
Right. That's a big mouth. Jeez. That mouth is every bit of the
whole size.
There he goes.
opens as wide as they.
Easy, dude.
All right, so we're out here. My good friend Quinn here brought the family out, and I don't know, 5, 6 bass already. So, how was the fight on that one?
Good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, I was pulling drag really hard.
Okay, all right, we'll see you get a bigger one. There's a lot of big ones right in this area right here. Yeah, it's the winds calm down. Maybe the water will calm down here pretty soon, and we'll see some bigger ones. But that was a nice one. Okay, we got another one, little one. Well, it's good to see we're reproducing.
That's right. The little
That's
ones,
good.
They grow up to be big ones.
That's right. He's healthy. Yep, that's good to see.
And I love the mouth on the size on that. It's just beautiful.
That's a pretty fish right there, isn't it?
That is.
Yep. Nice. All right. All right. Now to the board. We got another one. All right, Seth just got one here. Pretty decent. There it is. All right. Decent.
Goodness.
Oh, yeah. Looking nice and healthy. Beautiful. All right, we got a small one.
You have to get bigger bait.
I know, dude. All little baby ones.
A lot of babies.
Yeah.
A lot of babies.
At least the future looks bright here with them babies.
So we are at it again this morning. Wayne is back. And little by little, things just keep improving out here. Good to see. Please leave a comment down below if you're not subscribed. Please make sure to subscribe. I want to thank everybody for coming over. The channel's growing, and I'm really happy about that. So if people want to see more stuff down here in Southern Alabama, I'll keep putting it out. So this is an old oak right here. It's not doing too well. I'll be careful. Get out of the way here. But we're gonna take down about 3 more trees here. This one's not doing too well. So there it goes. So this is opened up a lot of this property now, much better view. The trees, the healthier trees, are now going to get a lot more sunlight. They were getting choked off by a lot of these dead trees or trees that were just covered in vines. And so now these trees have a much better chance of having a better life and growing, getting some sunlight. This was all shaded before. And now the sun's here. We've got room to put a structure in here, and maybe some nice fruit trees we could put in here. So we're gonna figure it out. But I think at some point, maybe in the next 12 to 18 months, I'll have maybe a 15 to 2,000 square foot structure in here for kennels and maybe an extra garage, you know. So we can definitely do something with that. But this definitely opens things up. So we got a few more trees to take out of here. Yeah. I think it's just disappeared into the forest. So another day, a couple hours, just grading this, clean this up. That blade with those teeth just gets in, you know, about a foot down. It just rips out all these roots and these vines that are in the ground. They're just horrible. But that thing gets deep down in there and just rips them out. You can come in here with a bushwhacker all day. You're just going to chop stuff up, but this thing gets down and just pulls everything out. So he's going to clean this up real nice, rip out a few more trees, and open this thing up. Look at all those roots. The soil here is so rich. You can smell it. It's just so nice. You could grow anything in this right here. The soil here is much nicer than what was in the garden. So you put trees in here, space out some nice fruit trees, what have you, they're going to do exceptionally well. Comment down below. So this one's totally dead. Yeah, this D1, can't say enough. Yeah, so this tree's probably a good 40 feet tall, dead. It's nothing but just a stick. There she goes. And a little hung up here. There it goes. Boom! So got this storm coming in. It rained for about a half hour this morning pretty good, and then the sun came out, and we've been lucky so far. I would say in the next half an hour, maybe an hour if we're lucky, maybe less. But he's gonna get what he needs to get done today. We'll have him back later on for some other stuff. But yeah, if you need a guy who knows how to operate a dozer, you need some excavation, pond building, road cleared, cleaned up, whatever. You need anything. You need a parcel cleared off. I would highly, highly advise to call Wayne, man. This guy has just gone above and beyond what he needed to do. So we're really happy with him. And so we're gonna have him come back, especially maybe before we put something on this property. We'll have him, you know, graded a little bit more and whatnot. But, so weather is changing quickly. Maybe we got a half hour max with the dozer. Even if it starts raining, Wayne will keep going for a bit. But I think he's probably gonna be wrapping it up within 20, 30 minutes. Anyways, wanted to walk down here. This is the next day. The rain just settling. It'd be nice to get some rain because this is really gonna compact really, really nicely. But this is it. This is the finished product. That will get burned probably this winter after it dries out this summer. Sorry for the wind, but we got a pretty decent storm coming in. Look at that. But that'll be really nice. Get a little rain on this thing, let it compact. It'll be like a brick wall, all this clay. So great material for the range. That gets burned this winter. We get that cleared out, and you know, probably seed a little bit in here, get some of the grass back. I mean, you know, it is what it is. We're going to train here, so I don't really care. But it is nice to have a little grass, maybe back here. That's nice. This will grow back real nice. I'm not sure how much will grow in that clay over there, but we'll get some. We'll get some. But we've got plenty of greenery, plenty of grass around us. Woo! But this is it. Real nice, real nice. So anyways, so there's been some fishing going on, been some grading going on, been the upgrade in the range going on. It's been a busy week, just extremely busy. Just threw some fertilizer in the garden before it rains, and that's it. It's very windy. I don't know how much of this you can hear me, apologize, but It is going to downpour here probably very, very soon. So water's getting very, very choppy. So wrap it up there. Again, thanks for coming over. Please subscribe, share these videos. And I think we're at around 9,000 subs. So let's get to 10,000. Apparently there's interest on what's going on out here in the Deep South. So I'll keep making these videos. I appreciate it. I think that's going to be about it. I think Wayne's going to probably be wrapping this up shortly. And we've got a lot more land here cleared out to do whatever we want to do. So anyways, leave a comment down below. Talk to all of you soon. Wayne's getting looks like a snack. Let's see what he's got going on. Oh, birds are in for the storm. Hey, Wayne just got a snack, and I guess he's gonna continue on here. This is looking really, really good. But what's nice is just opens us up, lets these other trees get some sun. And even now from here, you can see so much more of the pond, which you couldn't before. There was just so much foliage, trees, dead trees, vines, just things that had to come out of there. So, looking great.